I have some exciting news to share, everybody, because tomorrow the Bavarian Blast Water Park opens March 21st. And as we can see here, the stairway is open. And this elevator now is in operation. It has the button. Even though the stairway is open, I'm gonna hold off on going up there until it actually opens. Another thing we can see is the stuff that they've improved on the outside too. That's not finished completely, but we can see the improvements. So to start, all the chain link fencing that used to be here is gone, and it was replaced by this black metal fence that separates the outside here from these pools. And this outdoor pool here is still under construction. That's still not filled yet. The hot tub is, and that's separated by a chain link fence to the outdoor pool. And this scaffolding here, they still have to paint this area here, so we're just gonna wait and see when they get that done. I was looking at the concept art, and it says that it's supposed to say Bavarian Inn Lodge right above the window there. So hopefully when they get this painted, that becomes reality too. Now open, everybody. The Bavarian Blast Water Park is now officially open. Let's jump inside. So I cannot get inside without a wristband, so I'm just going to show you all of the lobby over here. So this railing here is still not finished, and then they're still working on construction over on the left side there. But over on the right, we have a little gift shop. Eventually, I will walk through those doors, sell for more content.